All right, everybody, welcome back to Plumber's Instant Pot. Today we got 3 beautiful New York strips. Trimmed them up just a little bit. They had a little hard fat on the outside. This one's still got a little bit. But we're gonna get these done up in the Instant Pot. Somebody asked on my channel the other day how to do a steak in the Instant Pot. Wasn't sure, so we're gonna try it. It's like 17 degrees outside right now, so I'm sure not grilling them outside. So we're going to use some Canaoiol Spray and some Texas brisket rub here to give them some flavor. And for the Instant Pot itself, we got 1 cup of beef broth. And to braise up the steaks, we got some olive oil. So go ahead and get these sprayed down real quick here. Get some of this brisket rub onto them. Use whatever kind of rub you want. I'm using this. It's got a lot of salt and pepper in it. I like some salt and pepper on my steaks. I think most people do. Real big pieces, chops of it. Smells delicious. Even though it says it's for a brisket, you can use it on steaks too. So ain't gonna hurt anything. Let's go ahead and get that patted down good. Go ahead and get them flipped over. Boom. All right, get some canola oil on this side of them. Get these rubbed down. It's gonna be a real quick dinner. Once again, that's what's great with the Instant Pot. You can do everything super quick. The pressure cook time on these is only gonna be 3 minutes, so it's probably gonna take longer to get them rubbed up here and braised than it is gonna be to cook them. So, all right, there we go. Let's get these patted down. Let them rest here for a few minutes. We'll get the Instant Pot. Get ready to start getting these braised up. We got the Instant Pot ready. So let's go ahead and put it on saute. Turn it on. Go ahead and get some of this olive oil here. Get some poured in the bottom. Oops. That top should already come out of it. Make sure you cover the whole bottom of it good. There we go. We're gonna let this get heated up. We get ready to throw the steaks on there. Pretty well, the Instant Pot should be warmed up good enough. Go ahead and get these steaks in here and start getting them braised down. I'm gonna be able to do 2 of them. Well, I might be able to get all 3 of them in there. There we go. We're gonna let these go for 1 minute, so we'll speed up through this. Alrighty, that's been 1 minute. So let's get these flipped over here. Looking pretty good. All the spices still on them. All right, you can give these 1 more minute and we'll pull them out. All righty, that's another 1 minute on that side, so let's go ahead and get these pulled out of here. Zip off, let's put them back over here on the cutting board. They got braised pretty good. So now, go ahead and take our 1 cup of beef broth, pour it in the bottom here, get it deglazed on the bottom. Go, don't look like we got a lot to get off the bottom. Do this now so you don't have anything stuck to the bottom of your pan. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn Sauté Mode off now that we got it deglazed there. Go ahead and get the trivet put in here. Get these steaks laid on here. 1, 2, and 3. Move them around just a little bit here so they all fit on there. Turn that way. I don't want them overlapping each other too much. So there we go. All right, let's get ready to get the top on here. Get the timer set. Let's get this top put onto here. Seal it. Make sure you got it in seal position on the top. We're gonna pressure cook it. Make sure it's on high. And we're gonna go with a total of 3 minutes. Turn it on. Once it's done with 3 minutes, I'm gonna let it naturally release for about 5. Pop open the seal on it, let the rest of it out, and pull these steaks out and see how they're looking. Been naturally releasing for 6 minutes, and I think the pin dropped by itself. Yep, pressure's all out. So let's open this up, see how these things are looking. They're looking pretty good here. So we got them out. Go ahead and cut it up one here, cut it in half, see how the inside of it's looking. Oh yeah, about a medium well, so looking good. We'll be right back for a taste test. Let's give these things a taste test here. A little piece cut off. Looking super good on the inside. Nice and tender, great, easy cook. You saw, guys, how quick and simple it was, nice and easy. So you can go down and click that subscribe button, helps the channel out. We've been growing pretty good here recently. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, leave me a comment. If you were the person that asked a couple days ago about how to do a steak, here you go. Here's how a steak's done in the Instapot. We'll see you guys later.